So we've got a 718 GT4 here. We've already installed the exhaust. I'm just flashing the ECU right now, and I've already flashed the TCU, and we'll see what it makes.